Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. What are you going to learn in this course? In this course, you're going to learn how to teach yourself the English language. You're going to learn how I learn another language. As you know from the introduction video, I am from Egypt and I speak Arabic as a first language. I have been learning English for a long time, since school. But learning English in school is different from learning a language in a course, in a center, or in a place. I know that many of you have studied English in school, but when it comes to speaking English or listening or practicing the language, they fail. Why? Because in school, they usually teach you a subject, grammar, vocabulary, and then you do the exam, you finish, and then you forget what you studied. So you may wonder, there are many people, many students learn more than language. One, two, three, four languages. Some people speak seven languages. How they did that? Is it possible that you can do the same? How much time does it take? What should I do to reach that? There are many questions I know you're thinking about. I'm going to answer you in this course. We're going to take you step by step from how a child learns a language until you become adult, how you as an adult learns the language, what should you do, and then at the end of the course, you will have QA video. This means if you have any question about learning language, if you have any problem in learning a language, you can write a question and then we will help you definitely. All right, let's start the first lecture.